What's good, everybody? It is your host, the Internet Income Ninja. Thank you so much for stopping by this amazing money making online opportunity. Before we jump into the meat of the matter, I invite everyone, all of you, everyone down to your dogs, to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like the video, comment on it, and share. Why? This increases the chances of you finding ways to make money online. You may ask how? Well, when you do these things, whenever a video goes out, you are notified. If you don't subscribe and hit the notification bell, you won't be notified. Why is that bad? Well, let's just say there's 7 billion people around the world. With the internet, everybody is in touch with everybody else. If 1,000 people are going after this job or this way to earn money online, you can best be assured, you can best bet that everybody is gunning for these positions. Okay? And especially for this particular one, there are a ton of people in cracks, in crevices, hacking away, typing away at their desk in the heat of the summer, in their little bedrooms, hustling. And you need to make sure you come out on top. So subscribe, hit the bell, like, comment, and share for competitiveness, for being first in line to get this amazing lead. Alright? So that's why. Alright? So, this way to make money online is actually a remote work from home international job that was posted 1 day ago. Okay? You will be gunning for the position of the senior open source developer and DevOps at OpenCraft. If you've never heard of OpenCraft, that's okay. They have this nifty link here. When you click that link, it takes you to OpenCraft. Okay? And at OpenCraft, they say create your online courses using the OpenEDX platform. Okay? Offer beautiful courses to your learners with your own branded site. And that's what they're in, the business of education. You can watch this explainer video, hear what their clients have to say, and see who their major clients are so far. Harvard Kennedy School, Lab Exchange, Ministry, and that looks like French. I don't speak French, but if you're Canadian or French, all the best to you. Harvard Grad School of Education, Harvard X, Cloudera, EDX, Australian National University, Berkeley University, Berkeley School of Information. Guys, all the big guns are affiliated with this company, and they are looking for someone to lead their development team. Now, the key programs you'll be working with are Python, Django, React, AWS, or OpenStack. Okay? Now, the headquarters, it's a fully remote company, worldwide, incorporated in Berlin. Berlin is in Germany. So, even though it's worldwide, they do have a base, which it was started in Germany. But the complete company is fully remote, fully online, fully virtual. Okay, so let's get into it. Development specialized on the free software project OpenEDX, used by and in part developed by organizations like MIT, Harvard, McKinsey, and others. So you'll have the opportunity to contribute to projects that are widely used and to be part of a thriving open source educational community. So see edx.org, the MIT Open Learning Library, or the French government online platform for public universities for examples of OpenEDX instances. The OpenEDX or edX platform is a large Python or Django codebase with good code standards and architecture. You would work on different client contracts using the platform. The clients list or references include Harvard, MIT, edX themselves, the French government, and various startups and universities currently running their own instances or looking to create one. Tasks are very varied, from developing core platform features, custom exercises, and tools for specific courses, such as XBlocks, customizing and deploying instances, working full stack operating or service infrastructure, improving our hosting platform, etc. You won't get bored here. Most of your work is published as free software, which is OpenEDX, is released under the AGPL license, which requires clients to release modifications under the same license. And you would also contribute to the free software project, pushing most of your developments upstream through pull requests, contributing features, documentation, or help on mailing lists. We welcome applicants of all genders and ethnicities. So basic requirements: senior developer with 3+ years working with Python, experience with Python web frameworks, specifically Django, 3+ years of HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. Experience, which is experience with React, is a big plus in parentheses. Experience with unit testing. You feel comfortable working in a Linux environment, specifically Debian or Ubuntu. Experience with databases, MySQL, MongoDB, PostgreSQL. My bad if I'm butchering this. So PostgreSQL. Okay? Experience with contributing to free software projects and communicating within a free software community. Additional skills: you would have to work with tasks from the following categories, but you would be able to pick up the skills on the job if you don't master this yet. DevOps experience, especially on Debian or Ubuntu servers, Terraform, Vault, Packer, Prometheus, ELK, Docker. We are building a modern infrastructure, and having a strong DevOps presence on top of core software engineering skills is a big plus with us. Cloud computing like AWS or OpenStack, configuration management tools such as Ansible, RabbitMQ, Redis, and Elasticsearch, Git source control, mobile development, so that's iOS and or Android, managing clients and projects from beginning to completion. Senior developer. Okay. Public speaking at conferences. You would present a talk every year at the Open edX conference. Apply for this position. Interview process: a 30-minute hangout with a simple coding exercise. To apply, fill this form. Of course, you follow this link. And a bit about OpenCraft. We are 35 senior developers, all working remotely from Europe, North and South America, Asia, and Australia. The company is not affiliated with edX, but rather contributing and working with them on various projects. This is a full-time position where you would be able to work remotely from anywhere you want as long as you have a good internet connection. You can read more about how we work in our handbook at this link. Alright? So that's it. Senior open source developer and DevOps at OpenCraft. Completely international, as you've seen. They have people in Asia, North and South America, Europe, all over the world, and they're completely remote. As they said, you can work anywhere as long as you have really good internet connection. So guys, give this a try. If you're in this space, attack it. Everybody's looking for something. The world is waking up and they're realizing that the 9-to-5 dream that they had is or was a nightmare. It is for some people, but it's not for everyone. And so if you have the option of working where you want to while making money, you could be traveling across the world while working. Check it out, and what you can also check out are the links in the description below. These links teach you how you can create your own online business that profits daily, and the standard that they've set that you can earn is $1,000 per day. 1,000. What would you do if you were making $1,000 per day? While you're sleeping, while you're on a plane, while you're working, while you're with your children, while you're with your family, while you're playing video games, you can be earning money autopilot. No joke, no cap, dead serious. Check these links out in the description. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It looks like that. And then hit the bell that looks like this. And then like the video, comment on it, and share with everyone you know. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best. Please continue to stay safe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Much appreciation for you guys and for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.